28 anos passar, hasta Promeco a crea Parque Nacional Aricoc de um grupo de expertos que estudiam os reptiles. Por 2 anos passar a desenhar plan para coletar boa ronda Aruba. Den exercício aqui te coletar dados específicos de reptil que para último de 5 anos da parte de nos fauna. Grupo de biólogo americano está fazendo dissecção de ecolebra para conhecer mais de costumes e alimentação. Esse man aqui nós conhecer pouco mais de reptil aqui, que não sempre está bom bem. Aunque é boa não conhecer inimigo natural, lo bota assombrar com seu impacto arriba na natureza, tá outro que lo que bota quer.
Esse maqui, experto no zoológico americano de Toledo, a finalizar o trabalho de investigação na Aruba riba reptil. Atenção particular para o intruso mais novo de nossa fauna, é boa. Com assistência de personal do Parque Nacional Aricoc, a coletar boa para estudo e los sigue aqui para próximos 5 lunas, como parte de uma frequência de 3 viagens anual.
De luna que não baja basta, pero manejando bisa de minha experiência, nós temos 6 lunas andando, nós temos 2 viagens, 6 lunas para a Hoje temporada mais boa, desde de outubro, eu vou subir back top. Pero de nossa experiência, nós estamos mais ou menos 4, 5 boas para a área.
A cifra aqui não cambia muito no último ano no Ciba Pagatino, dando a impressão de uma estabilização de quantidade boa. Hecho está que reptil aqui decidiu que seu habitat já não está unicamente de mundo.
De minha experiência também que boa está transportação de lugar para outro, a maioria está de veículo, de auto. A nós tem parque, a nós tem parque, mas nós temos muito boa, mas está ganhando. A maioria que nós está capturada para fora do parque, da diferente área da Ronda Aruba, que você não está ganhando. Você sempre me pede cidadão para ter na casa limpa, evitar para ganhar jaca frato, para evitar menos problema com boa.
Tem grupo de biólogos especializados em reptil trabalhando com Aruba desde 1986. Não interesse inicial estava outro reptil, diferente de boa.
Primary interest has always been the cascabel, which is genuinely something very special for Aruba. The cascabel is found no other place in the world except for Aruba, and it's uniquely Aruban. So there was a lot of concern about the status of the cascabel, and that was our initiation in all the field work that we've done here. Part of our goal, though, in doing field work is to also transfer expertise. You know, we're biologists that do field work with snakes, and we would really, every opportunity we have, we like to help to train rangers. We like to build up the knowledge of everybody here to continue with the work.
Já dengue por me aina de década de 90, Aruba a ser conhecido como outro reptil.
And everybody was concerned, you know, what would happen to the native fauna? What would be the impact on the cascabel? What would be the impact on the birds? All these things, you know, we needed to answer. And I'll have to tell you that the parks rangers and the parks biologists and people came together and worked. We worked very closely on a long-term project studying the boa. This is only one of the final ones, but the project could never have been done, and we would never have been successful trying to understand the impact of the boa if it wasn't for the personnel of the park.
Houve gente está curioso sobre a dieta de boa e sua consequência para nos fauna.
The impact of the boa, in our judgment at this point, with the data that we have acquired, is going to be not as significant as we were afraid that it could have been. The boa is here. The boa is going to become part of the ecosystem. Okay, there will be a balance of nature. There will be the birds of Aruba that will still be here. We have seen no evidence that bird species are disappearing. The numbers might have shifted, but they shift seasonally. So you have to look at it for a long period of time, a very long period of time, in order to really understand what's going on.
Pero según el director asistente del programa de animal de zoológico de Toledo, tem otro animal doméstico que porta hasta más peligroso que el boa.
The house cat. The house cat is a really big danger, okay, to the environment of Aruba, more so than the boa is. And the boa is now, getting into its position in the environment. It used to be found in large numbers in the park. Initially, it was very high numbers. It's not found in the park that often anymore. It's here in the park, but it's in balance. The birds are here, the lizards are here, okay? And the boa's here. I saw a rabbit last night. Rabbits are still in the park. Okay, we saw shoko last night. The shoko are in the park, okay? So the boa has become, part of that balance.
Si tasina que boa no tiene un enemigo del reino animal e condicionan de nos medio ambiente y naturaleza ta su peor enemigo.
Aruba's natural environment limits the boa. However, the boa has migrated a lot of them out of the park, and they're living near and around people. And people, where people live, they have garbage, they have water, and that doesn't help necessarily the boa directly, but what it does help is mice and rats to breed. Okay, so the mice and rats breed around people's homes. They have garbage, people throw garbage outside. The mice and rats are doing very, very well. That's like the favorite food of the boas.
Giovanni Muller, Noticia Veloci.